Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS School. I am Sabreena, Haque, assistant teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on chapter 7, and this is our first class of annual term syllabus. Dear students, let us move forward to today's topic. The new chapter is chapter 7. The name of the chapter is healthy lifestyle. Dear student, healthy lifestyle is most important thing for our daily life. A healthy lifestyle helps to keep and improve our health and well-being. However, we may get diseases through we have a healthy lifestyle. Why do we get diseases? How can we prevent and cure diseases? First one, infectious diseases. First point is, and first question is arise here, what is infectious diseases? The answer is, infectious diseases are the diseases that causes by the entrance of germs such as bacteria, viruses, fungi into the body. The diseases can spread directly or indirectly from one person to another. Dear students, the total para you have to memorize from this part, this portion to this portion. This total part is important. Not only this part, all the lines of the chapter is important, and you have to memorize line by line of the chapter. Now come to the next question. Why ways of spreading is infectious diseases? Infectious diseases can spread in different ways. Some diseases can pass from person to person through the air when someone coughs or sneezes. We may get infectious diseases by using glass plates, chairs, tables, cloths, toilets, etc. that used by an infected person. Some infectious diseases are transmitted by bites of insects such as mosquitoes and animals such as dog. Another ways of causing infectious diseases is eating of contaminated food and drinking of contaminated water. Now come to the next point, that is types of infectious diseases. There are many types of infectious diseases as follows. First one, airborne diseases. Airborne diseases are the diseases caused by germs and transmitted through the air due to coughing, sneezing or talking. Airborne diseases include swine flu, measles, chickenpox, tuberculosis and influenza. Waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are the diseases caused by taking water contaminated with germs. There are many types of waterborne diseases including diarrhea, cholera, dysentery and typhoid. Contact diseases. Contact diseases are diseases caused by direct or indirect contact with an infected person. Flu, Ebola and measles are such kind of diseases. AIDS is different kind of infectious disease caused by HIV virus. However, we will not be infected by AIDS even if we touch and shake hands with a HIV infected person or use things that a HIV infected person uses. Now come to diseases transmitted by animal and insects. Some infectious diseases are transmitted by animals and insects bites. For example, rabies are transmitted through bites of rabies infected dogs, and malaria and dengue is caused by mosquito bites. Dear students, this chapter is too much important because we are going through a pandemic situation of COVID-19, and COVID-19 also are infectious diseases, and for this type of infectious disease, from here we will learn how we will get infected through for the infectious disease. We also learn here about the dengue and malaria, and now also the time for the dengue, and we will learn how we will take the preventive measure for the dengue, and how we will get for preventive measure for the airborne and waterborne diseases, and what is the AIDS, and what AIDS is not the common types of contact disease, and we know another types of virus name, that is HIV virus, that cause the AIDS, and the full form of HIV virus is human immunodeficiency virus, human immunodeficiency syndrome virus, and you are known with the immune system, that is our human immunodeficiency syndrome virus. It destroy our immune system, and that's why this is a dangerous virus, and that's why AIDS patient and affected with a simple disease can be died, and this virus is so much dangerous, and it is not if infected if touch and shake hands. But some virus like flu, Ebola, measles, this kind of virus, just if we contact or shake hand, and if we use the table, chairs, glass, plate, that types, use the cloths and toilets, that types of that contact and close with that person which is infected, that contact the people, that time we are infected. And dear student, this is your homework, that is the homework number 1. You have to make 5 fill in the blanks from the first part of the chapter, and you have to submit on Saturday. Dear student, this is the important chapter for you, so read the chapter properly and do the SW. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.